Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Dairy Queen rotisserie style chicken bites. So I got some fries here and the new rotisserie style bites, which are kind of chicken nuggets that are maybe healthier. I didn't look at the macronutrients on this one, but I will after. I'm kind of curious how these taste because rotisserie chicken is one of my favorites. I hope they did it some justice. So, a little chunk of chicken here. First bite. Oh, that's good. So it's kind of like a chewy, feels like a chicken breast chunk. It tastes like rotisserie chicken, but still tastes kind of like Dairy Queen's chicken. Like, if you ever had their chicken, it's got that distinctive taste to it. And this chicken bite maintains that same kind of flavor, but it's not a chicken nugget. Cool. It also came with what I think is like tartar sauce, or I don't know, ranch, maybe some ranch. I don't know. We'll try a little bit of it. It might be good, might not be that great with something like this. I like a spicy sauce, so we'll see. Not the vibe. Nope, that's kind of gross. Ranch. Not the move with this. They should have had some kind of spicy sauce with it. If you like ranch, you're lucky because that's the sauce that comes with this. But I find that the flavor of it didn't really match very well. Like, if I want ranch, like, that's kind of a vegetable thing, not chicken. I don't know. That's my own personal take on it. I'm not a huge ranch enjoyer, so didn't expect myself to overly like that. The fries, though, they're pretty good. But I think the rotisserie chicken bites just deserve to be enjoyed on their own. I should have brought a spicy sauce with me or something. That would have been a lot better. And they're pretty small. You can just bite into them. Good seasoning on them, but it feels just like a chunks of chicken breast, which is also good. But I don't know. Kind of expected a little more out of this. It's not bad, but could have been a little better, I think. The fries are kind of making up for it. I've never had rotisserie chicken bites before, which is weird because I love rotisserie chicken. I'd probably just go for the regular rotisserie chicken. That's maybe why I've never had it in bite form. But it's just like little chunks of chicken. Not terrible, but I think I've had better. I even think that their regular chicken tenders with like the gravy is a little better than this too, but that's just my own perception. Not terrible, but not blowing my mind. I'm enjoying the French fries because these are pretty good. I really like Dairy Queen's French fries. Not as much as a place like McDonald's, but they're still good French fries. So you can get the rotisserie style bites in either a 6-pack or an 8-pack. I get the 6-pack. I kind of wish I got the 8-pack because I feel like 6 just isn't enough. I'm curious why it's a 6-pack and an 8-pack, not like a 9-pack. It's a little weird, but a bunch of crows dance around my car. I have my invisible selfie stick out here with my camera on it, so it's recording a little time lapse while I'm eating my lunch. Yeah, one more bite to go, but I'll still have some of these fries. Tartar sauce was a weird style sauce to go with this. Or ranch sauce. I've never had that with rotisserie chicken before. Usually you want some spicy, I think. That's just my 2 cents. Last one's a little crispier. Yeah, it was the best nugget. Or chicken bite, I mean. These aren't really nuggets. A little dry. But I think that's why they gave you a sauce to just pair that with. But I would have preferred a much spicier sauce or something with a little bit more flavor, maybe like barbecue. I think barbecue goes with rotisserie a lot better than ranch does. Again, just my 2 cents. So yeah, pretty decent. Not something that I'd probably get again, mind you. It wasn't terrible though. Like, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give that a 6. If they included a barbecue or a spicy or some kind of flavorful sauce, I would have probably given that a much higher, like a 7 maybe, or an 8. But ranch was in my opinion, like a poor choice to mix with that. Overall though, not the worst thing I've ever had. Probably won't get it again. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.